People care about climate change, and we know that the food we eat has a profound impact on the climate. Meat, like beef, has a particularly high environmental footprint. At the same time, the foods that tend to be the most harmful to the planet, that result in the most greenhouse gas emissions, also tend to be linked to rising rates of obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Can we safeguard the planet and protect our health simply by making different choices about the foods that we eat? I'm Andrew Jalil, Associate Professor of Economics at Occidental College. Over the past few years, I've been studying food sustainability. In a recent study, I examined whether providing people with credible, legitimate, scientific information about the environmental and health consequences of eating too much meat changes their behavior. Does hearing about the harmful effects of eating meat lead people to voluntarily reduce their meat consumption in favor of more sustainable plant-based meals? To test this, we conducted a randomized control trial where some students listened to a 50-minute talk about the impact of food choices on the climate and health. Other students did not listen to this talk. We then analyzed the food purchasing behavior of students at the college dining facilities for 3 years, amounting to a data set of more than 100,000 meals. What we found was those students who listened to the talk reduced their meat consumption in favor of plants, a 9% decline in meat consumption and 20% increase in plant-based meals, an effect that lasted for years afterwards. One simple 50-minute talk had big effects. Information does matter, and it can help us to protect both the planet and our own health.